Today we're making carrot and coriander soup. Quick rundown of my ingredients are as such. We have got some turmeric, some cumin, some coriander. They all go in a pestle and mortar, grind them up. To be fair, the turmeric and the coriander, the cumin are already ground. Then we have got celery, carrot, yesterday's mashed potato. And we're also going to need garlic, onion. I reckon that'll do me. Okay, that is my ingredients all chopped up. Now to get it into a pan and start cooking it. The eagle-eyed among you will notice I have got no fresh coriander. Something I forgot. Okay, so something else I forgot to mention was the stock. The stock I'll be using today is this Swiss bouillon vegetable powder. It's basically the smack of the bouillon or kind of stock world. If you've only got OXO in your cupboard, get some of this. So it's bloody lovely. And my water in there. I just kind of dump it all in. I'm now going to put in my mashed potato. There we go. I'll kind of stir that all around. I had a bit of cheese on that mashed potato last night. That'll go in there. I don't usually, when I'm making a soup, put in the correct amount of water to begin with. I kind of just cover my vegetables and cook them in that, and then mince it down and then add in more liquid as I need it. That way my soup starts really thick and I can thin it out rather than the other way around. Okay, bring that sucker up to the boil like this, bang it down onto a simmer, lid on. Now, wait. Okay, we needed to do a quick run to Tesco's to get the coriander. I found some on the cheap shelf for 60p. Right, bang. There's my reduced coriander. It's looking kind of sorry because it was on a reduced state, but we're going to eat it now, so that'll be good. I'm going to chop off the stalks, chop them up nice and small, and bang them in my pot here. This has just been steeping whilst I was out at the unnamed shop there. I have skimmed it, and to skim it you just kind of go like that, push all the crap to the sides, run round, throw it away. Dead easy. So that's actually cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to bang that back on. Get the coriander in it. Okay, there we are. All blended up using my stick blender. But like I said, it's a little bit too thick. That's the way we like it, because we can just add a little bit of water and then use my stick blender. And there we are. Served with a little fresh sort of bread type thing that I made there. Lovely.